Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, conditional and looping constructs. In the previous chapters we have learned the basics of Python programming, where we were dealing with simple short programs containing a sequence of instructions given for carrying out a particular task. They were all in a sequence, that is, one after the other. In real life also, this sequence of operations is observed when a school bus carries school children from school to home and vice versa. There is only one way. The driver has no choice but to follow the road from one bus stop to another and reach home or school following a sequence. Similarly, Python also executes one statement after another in a program. All these statements are executed by the CPU. You were well versed with a CPU. It has three parts: CU, control unit; ALU, arithmetic logic unit; and MU, memory unit. The arithmetic logic unit involves all mathematical operations and conversion. We will now focus on logic unit, which makes a computer think. So we need to write the code. In real life situations also, we often go with the flow and tend to take decisions, such as after completing the 10th standard we decide which stream to go for, and after completing graduation one has to decide which company to join. Similarly, if you have ever used Google Maps direction services to reach from one place to another, you might have noticed that sometimes it shows more than one path: the least crowded path, a shortest distance path, etc. And you can decide which path to take as per your priorities. A decisions may involve choosing one of the two or more possible options. If it is raining, I will use an umbrella so that I don't get wet. This is a type of branching. If one condition is true, that is, if it is raining, I will take my umbrella. If the condition is not true but false, then I will not take my umbrella. Similarly, in Python also we have a keyword if, which helps in taking decisions. Here we have used a tool for depicting this decision making, which is the flowchart. Next, types of statements in Python. Statements are the instructions written in the source code given to the computer for executing any task. These help the user to obtain the desired output by working and manipulating data, making decision and repeating the set of instructions. Statements constitute the smallest executable unit with a Python program. Python statements are classified into three types: empty statement, single statement, or symbol statement. Last one, compound statement. First one, empty statement. The simplest statement is the empty statement. That is a statement which does nothing. In Python, an empty statement is pass statement. It takes the following form: pass. It can be used, pass can be used when a statement is required syntactically but the program requires no action to be performed. Since Python does not support empty code blocks, we can use pass statement for the no operation in the if condition block, if else block, and even in while loop. Go to Python idle. empty statement, pass, nothing, ഒന്നും തന്നെ എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല. അതാണ് പാസ്. നമുക്ക് ലൂപ്പ് ഒക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേന് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പാസ് കണ്ടോ, ഒന്നും തന്നെ എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, സിമ്പിൾ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്. Any single executable statement is a simple statement in Python. A simple statement in Python comprises a single logical statement. For example, name equal to input, enter your name. Assignment statements are simple statements like x equal to 10, which means that we are assigning a value 10 to the variable x. This we call a simple statement. Okay, ഒറ്റ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് എഴുതുന്നതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സിമ്പിൾ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇത് തന്നെ ഒരു സിമ്പിൾ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, compound statement. Compound statement represents a group of statements executed as a unit. A compound statement is a statement which comprises a group of statements. The compound statement usually execute when a condition is satisfied or a code block is called directly or through a function code. Compound statements are spread into multiple logic lines of several single statements but aligned together into a single unit. Its syntax is compound statement header colon multiple simple statements indented at same level. Here header line with a keyword at end set column. ഇവിടെ ഒരു കീവേഡ് കാണും, അതായത് ഇഫോ അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു കീവേഡ് കാണും, ഇഫ്, വൈല്, ഇഫ് എൽസ്, അത് കൂട്ട് ഒരു കോളൻ, then indentation 4 spaces. The body consists of more than one simple Python statement or compound statement. Body എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബോഡിക്കകത്ത് ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. എക്സാമ്പിൾ, if x equal to 5, ഇതാണ് കീവേഡ്, then indentation അല്ല കോളൻ, then enter, indentation ഇവിടെ വന്ന് 4 സ്പേസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടായിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. print x, അപ്പോൾ ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇതാണ് ബോഡി. ഓക്കെ, ten equal to 5, then print x. equal to 5 അല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഓക്കെ, 10 ആയിരുന്നു വാല്യൂ, ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളൂ. ഇത് കീവേഡ് കോളൻ ബോഡി. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് വൺ ഡിനോട്ട് compound statement. Compound statement represents a group of statements executed as a unit. Simple statement, any single executable statement is a simple statement in Python. Empty statement, the simplest statement is the empty statement. Okay, thus we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you.